How to transfer money from Crypto.com Visa card. Start by opening the Crypto.com app and selecting Accounts at the bottom. From there, go to your Fiat wallet and click Transfer and then Withdraw. Choose your fiat currency, e.g. Euro, and check the minimum withdrawal amount. If your bank account is already linked, simply select it and ensure you have at least 80 euros in your wallet. If your bank account is not set up, you need to click Transfer, then Deposit, and select a bank transfer. Make sure the bank account is under the same name as your Crypto.com account. After depositing a small amount, e.g. €1, the bank account will be linked and available for withdrawals. Once set up, you can go back to the Withdraw section, select your linked bank, and enter the withdrawal amount. If you have over the minimum required, click Review and confirm the withdrawal. The funds will then be transferred to your bank account. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe.